Is this you? Buy at a low point. After a very short period, KDJ began to prompt a sell signal, and the result is that the price soared after you sell. And you are like, oh my god, it should be my profit. Now I watch them slip away from it. What's wrong with KDJ? Is KDJ an indicator gives a lot of wrong signals? Of course no. Now is the miracle moment. Look at this chart. The same indicator, the same candlestick chart. I only changed the parameter which could help you to sell at the top. Then why do we need to change KDJ's parameter? And how could we find the right parameters? This video gives you the answer. Hi, I'm Alice. If this is the first time you watch my video, welcome to subscribe me. There's more useful technical analysis strategies videos in my channel. Everyone knows KDJ, but 90% of investors don't know how to optimize it. So why do we need to optimize its parameters? Firstly, KDJ is widely used in short and medium-term trend analysis. It's one of the most welcomed technical analysis tools in Forex trading, futures, and stock market. And the default parameter of it is 9, so some bankers will set traps for it. Secondly, every chart is unique since they got different historical patterns. So default parameter KDJ is unlikely to work very well for all charts at any period. Like a beautiful dress cannot shoot for everyone, right? Therefore, in order to improve our trading win rate, we should find a good parameter for KDJ. Such as this chart, a golden cross of KDJ appears after a short period decline. It's a buy point, right? Okay, after that, the J line starts to bend down at this point, which is a sell signal. Then we sell here. However, the price continued to go up later. We missed the high point. Heartbroken again? Don't worry. If here we could change the parameter to 17, you could see that we can sell at the top. Then how could I know 17 is the right parameter? Because it's 17 days between A and B. Then why the days between those 2 points is the right parameter of KDJ? Now is the key point. Look at this graph. Pay attention to A point. Count 9 days ahead of A. The closing price of A is higher than the highest price of previous 9 days, which is actually the 5th day. Why do we need to count 9 days? Because the default parameter of KDJ is 9. KDJ is a stochastic oscillator indicator. Its calculation is combine the closing price of A and the highest price and lowest price of A's previous 9 days. So the KDJ will start to make mistakes if A's closing price is higher than the highest price of previous 9 days. Therefore, we should take the number from the previous high point to the low point as the KDJ parameter. In this case, KDJ could become more accurate since the highest price have not been broken. So do you got it now? No? Okay, let's see another example. According to the default parameter KDJ, we buy at this golden cross, and then here the KDJ gives a sell signal. However, the price soared by 30% after we sold. This moment, or you feel like boiling inside, just furious. You are like, what hell is going on? But if we count the previous high and low point, it's 24. So we can change the parameter to 24. Let's see what happened. Oh my god, you sell at a high price. Is it amazing? Okay, remember, you are always welcome to leave me a message if you have any questions. Alright, if you think my video is helpful, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you will be notified each time we upload. And leave us a like to show your support. I will see you next time. Bye.